Instagram, Facebook, gonna off to a cleaning appointment in a week. What are 3 things you can do to help your hygienist when they close your teeth? Number 1, make sure if you eat before you decide to eat breakfast, before you go to the dentist, make sure you clean your teeth. Make sure you at least floss and brush your teeth. That'll make your appointment go by easier. Number 2, if you have mouthwash, use the mouthwash. Because what the mouthwash does, it breaks down any plaque, so that'll speed up your cleaning. And number 3, floss. Floss that'll also go through, remove any extra loose bacteria and speed up your appointment. Because I know some of you guys are scared to go to an appointment and you're making excuses. You need to go to your dentist appointment. Remember, I didn't go into the dentist until I was in a sophomore in high school. And if it weren't for Miss Mills, I wouldn't have no teeth. I had a whole bunch of gum surgeries, then I had to have braces, teeth pulled, all kind of stuff. And I've had gone to the dentist just 1 year earlier. A lot of these medical procedures would have been avoided. But lucky I eventually went, or I would have had dentures, or you have like all the artificial teeth all over the mouth instead of a few. I don't want that to happen to you. I don't want you to be in sophomore in high school or junior having to go through surgeries, needles. That can make for a miserable high school year when you should be fucking or drinking. You're in the dentist's office, and after that you get the braces. They got to tighten the braces, so you're just constantly like living. You're like an adult basically. Martin, you need to do this, and that, so you're learning discipline quicker. So 3 things you can do to make your teeth cleaning easier. Number 1, if you decide to eat before, brush. Number 2, use the floss. Go through cleaning any loose material. And number 3, use the mouthwash. Makes it easier, breaks down the bacteria or any plaque, and that'll speed up your appointment. Subscribe. Now I'll give you 3 things you shouldn't do later on.